Today, every Indian has reason to feel proud as our protectors of skies are celebrating 82nd Indian Air Force Day. In fact, Indian Air Force is considered as one among the 10 best fighting forces in the world today and has come of age from its significant role in earlier wars, especially the World War II. The story of the Indian Air Force or IAF is a story of grit, determination and an extraordinary commitment to the motherland. The IAF also helps civilians during natural calamities, like their superhuman efforts in Uttarakhand last year and now in Jammu and Kashmir. Established on October 8, 1932 through an announcement in the Gazetteer notification with jest, India got commissioned after completing their training at Royal Air College, Cranwell in United Kingdom. Over the years, the IAF has grown from a tactical force to one with transoceanic reach. The strategic reach emerges from induction of force multipliers like flight refueling aircraft, remotely piloted aircraft, and credible strategic lift capabilities. There is emphasis on acquiring best of technology through acquisitions or upgradation, be it aircraft, systems, precision missiles, or net centricity. The IAF today is in the process of a most comprehensive modernization plan. Over the next few years, the force would induct more Su-30 MKI aircraft, the light combat aircraft, and the medium multi-role combat aircraft. There are plans to augment the helicopter and transport fleets too. The IAF is also in the process of acquiring radars in various categories to meet air defense requirements, accurate and advanced weapons, network-centric warfare systems, etc. to meet its assigned tasks. Today, the IAF is a world-class, mature and modern force. One can confidently say that our skies are more than safe in the hands of our Indian Air Force. News Desk, Mango News.
मुझे श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने लीडरशिप का रोल सौंपा है स्वच्छ भारत के लिए। मेरी तरफ से और हमारी टीम यहाँ पे है जो